best video shots you can ever do. Right, at Dad Random here. Gonna do a little flight on my vacation. Brought the DJI 360 camera with me, and it makes for kind of a cool flight. So, and right now it's like beautiful, doesn't it? This is like awesome. Now we're gonna stand out. I'm gonna go in the middle of this bean field here, and we're gonna set up the camera, and then I'm gonna take the DJI Lito out for a flight here. I'm just gonna go stand out here in the middle of the field, cross all these rows of beans, get up to the crest of the hill. Now, actually, a couple of years back, when I was flying the DJI Spark, I flew this exact same spot. It's kind of a neat perspective. The beans are short. There's a cornfield here, but in the bean field it's nice because it's always short. So, all right, this will give us a really cool perspective. Yeah, I can get all the way over there. Okay, so I can do a pretty big area. All right, we're gonna get set up in just a minute here and we'll fly. All right, so let's go ahead and get the DJI Lito out. So we're flying the Lito. We've gone so far since the Spark. We have gone just an absolute just miles and miles of distance since the Spark came out. So let's go ahead, and this should be pretty easy setup. There we go. So we've got controller off. Let's go ahead and take the cover off the Lito. All right, I'm gonna let that get ready there. So the controller is down here, and we're gonna do a hand takeoff. And I'm gonna change the drone over to, here we go. Pretty sweet. I'm gonna change the media over. Let's go to the storage. We're in video mode. All right, we're just gonna, let's just get I'm waiting for satellites right now. So once we get enough satellites, we're gonna take off. Now this is gonna be a pretty amazing, home point updated. All right, this should be a pretty, okay, I'm gonna change the, let's go to camera, let's go to we're gonna go to internal storage. All right, okay, we're gonna guess it says SD anyway, so we're internal storage. All right, so let's take off. All right. That was cool, huh? Only the Lito will do that. Right. There we go. All right, we're flying. Let's see. Do we have a full battery? 65%. All right, that's actually pretty cool. Let's do a 65% flight. Let's just see what you can do with 65% with the Lito. I'm expecting a pretty amazing flight, actually. Oh man, I'm so used to just a platform that just is so much less amazing than this one. I should have changed batteries, but I really don't want a super long flight. Biggest reason is I'm doing a 360 video. So if I move around, I'm going to be able to capture me flying no matter where I'm standing. So right now, what's cool about this is the sun is making its presence known. And if I get a bunch of mosquitoes attacking me, that's the other issue. Wow, we're eating up the territory quickly. We are eating up the best video shots you can ever do. All right, I just got to make sure I don't move around too much here. Wow, that is gorgeous. It's just I'm so used to red rocks, and to see green trees, it's pretty cool, pretty special. So 43%. Guys, the Lito is the most amazing drone, bar none. Okay, we've got a little bit of power. Now, I had issues with that power line way back in the day, but not with the Lito. We will not have issues with it. Look at how pretty the grass is down there. Wow. That is amazing. You'd never know that is a super fun site down there. That is not a place you want to drink water, as beautiful as it is. So we're going to do a very slow. Now we're in normal mode. We're not flying in. Oh, beautiful! There's a lot of water down there in the lake. There's some history with that lake down there and me as a kid. We're just going to fly over this way, and then we're going to head back. We're pretty much over here over the field, and it's just amazing how much how much ground you can cover with this little bird. Oh, there's a lot of water down there, a lot more than I thought. Just amazing. We were just doing, kind of curious about the woods down here, down below here. You don't mind if I drop the camera, do you? Straight down. Look at how it lights up that that woods down there. My cousins hunt deer out here, so I can see why now. I was like, are there any deer? I'm like, absolutely, there are deer out there. There's no question about it. Look at that. That's definitely, there's some deer hiding in there, definitely, huh? Very cool. Wow, the water of that pond down there is much higher than historically it's been. It's got a lot of water in it. Here, I'm gonna bring myself up in altitude here to maximum, well, not quite maximum. There, that's about enough just to be able to see that. Okay, we're at 32%. I'm gonna pull back a little bit, and I'm pretty much a straight shot back here. So just gonna back up here just to see, show my dad the lake tomorrow. Guys, I remember I left with like 60 some percent. All right. Now we're gonna go forward here. All right. But I didn't. Sorry, guys. I didn't. I didn't record my screen. Sometimes you just forget, you know. I hope you enjoy the video and not really care about the screen recording. We're over the bean field here in just a second, coming down, so we're pretty much returning to home. So I'm actually going to drop my altitude way down and do a low pass return to home. Now I'm uphill. I'm probably 100. Well, I don't know about 100. I'm pretty hot. Maybe 100 feet above the. That's a crappy. Here. So I'm just gonna hit. Here. Return to home here. All right, just to show you, kind of a little bit. Let's drop that. There we go. So it's got to come up the hill to land. So it's right there, coming in hot. Actually, it's not coming in hot at all. And I'm getting eaten by bugs. I think the bugs know. She's over here. It's coming around. Right there. There she is, dropping down. She dropped down probably, I don't know, about 50 feet. Pretty cool. That's pretty neat. And you'll see by, from the video exactly. Yeah. I said I didn't have my... That is so sweet. That was just freaking amazing. So it's gonna return right to my hand. Guys, this is why we fly drones in this country. This is why we fly DJI drones in this country, because, let's go ahead and turn that off, because the flights like that was just absolutely, it's gonna be gorgeous. And what's that? I don't know. 20% battery, so that's pretty cool. So efficient, so absolutely amazing. That's why we fly DJI. Right, for the DJI Lito and the And I can't believe I said Insta360. The DJI 360, of course. All right, all DJI flight right there. All right. And for Dad Random, yes, all right. This is what it's like when you, after an amazing flight, and you have the best drone in America. Oh my gosh, you just get amazing flights. I mean, that was so easy. That was just absolutely killer amazing. All right, later for the DJI Lito and the DJI 360 camera, Mic 3. All right, you can't get a better combo for a vacation, that's for sure. Later, bye. Dad Random. Oh my gosh, Dad Random. Going through the woods. Ooh, it's scary. But this is what the 360 camera was made for. It's made to go through the woods and experience amazing flights in the woods. All right.